Welcome at tutorial number 10 of the Trainz Model Railway Simulator. In tutorial 9 we drove around with two trains on one track and we saw that there was some intelligence to take care that they don't collide. In this tutorial we are going to add signaling to our track to give it a little bit more realism. We open up the program and I hit start, and in the next window we click on routes. Then we select tutorial 9 that we saved and click edit. I hope it clicked edit. Yes, okay. And then the first thing I like to do, I hit now the arrow keys on my keyboard, so that is more or less the right orientation. What I like to do first is create a second track to store my train temporarily. The toolbar for the tracks, I hit the get track and then select the track so that I have the same track. The plus, I click shift not to let them connect and add another track. Now I can move both trains over there to get them temporarily out of the way. Yes, that is good. Now we have our hands free to do some editing on this track. What I like to do is add signals. The signals are hidden not in this track library, of course, but in the track side library. Let's click that. That is a very long list. What we are looking for is the signal USA. So bear with me until we find signal USA. Yeah, okay, I got it. What we are going to do first is signal number 04. Don't ask me the logic behind those numbers, but that's a signal with one light and we are going to use that. We are going to place that. Let me do this so that we can see what we are doing. We're going to place that. That is a single track light, and well, we have two single tracks here combining together, but that is not an issue. Let's place this over here. It ended up on the wrong side, so I have to click this rotate icon and rotate it to the right side. Then the plus icon and add another one on this track. Yes, that is very nice. As you can see, two nice signals. Let's move on to our turnout over here. Now we have a single track splitting in two tracks, and that calls for a signal number 2. Again, I don't know the logic, but I just know that I need a number 2. I place it just before the turnout and it has to be rotated. Yes, that is correct. Then over here we need two more of the number 4. So let's click number 4 and add one over here. That is obviously again on the wrong side, and add another one over here. Yes, that is okay. And now we go to our final one. Just before this splitting turnout we need a number 2 again, and let's place it over here. And it is on the wrong side. Click it again. Okay, well, we have now added all the signals that we need. I press the arrow keys a little bit and let's see where our trains are. They are over here. I'm going to move them back on our track, and therefore I hit the trains toolbar, the move button, and then this one was over here. That is station north track 1, and this one is over here, station south track 1. Let's drive. I go here to the quick drive icon and hit save, and save it with a new name, namely track 10, tutorial 10. Yes, and now we are going to enter drive mode, and let's see what happens if we well, we have two trains. I hit this driver, then I get both icons. This is the Shell tanker train, and this is the, let's zoom out a little bit, the passenger train. Well, okay, what we can do, let's have a look at the map. The passenger train is over here. I can send it to station north 2. That is a free track. So let's just do that. And over here I say go to north 2. And let's go to 3D view and let's have a look what is happening. It's going through a green signal. Yes, that's okay. Let's go to chase view, and well, over here this signal, this junction is already switched. It has a yellow light, so that means it can go on, and that's good. Well, let's give the other train also another command. Let's control that to south 2, and we will see that it goes. And now for fun, let's give the other one also a command for south 2 and see how it treats that. South 2, well, it has a, it's going to drive backwards. Whoa, that is strange. Obviously, the train's artificial intelligence sees a free route, and well, now it is a matter of who is there first. The track mark was over here, it thought it was free and it decided to go backwards. That's not what I want, of course, but yeah, okay, it happened. Now let's see if they collide. No, they don't. Just in time he decided it is better to wait. Well, this of course is not what we want to happen, so we have to find a way to avoid that. And let us have a look in tutorial number 11 if there is a way to avoid that. See you over there at tutorial number 11.